How do you send Morse code by flashing a light? Have you ever thought about how you can communicate without using your voice? In off-grid living or survival situations, Morse code can be a handy skill. So, how do you send Morse code by flashing a light? Let's break it down step by step. Morse code is a method of encoding messages using a series of dots and dashes. Each letter and number has its own unique combination. For instance, the letter E is a single dot, while T is a single dash. Understanding these sequences is the first step in using Morse code effectively. To send Morse code using a light, you will need a flashlight or any light source. The process is simple. A short flash of light represents a dot, and a longer flash represents a dash. When you turn the flashlight on and off, you create the signals needed to form letters and words. Timing is very important in Morse code. The duration of a dash should be 3 times longer than that of a dot. The space between dots and dashes in a letter should be equal to the duration of a dot. When you move from one letter to another, the space should be 3 times the duration of a dot. Finally, the space between words should be 7 times the duration of a dot. Keeping this rhythm consistent will help your message be understood clearly. Start with simple messages. For example, you can practice sending your name or common phrases. Make sure the person receiving your message understands the timing you are using. This will help avoid confusion. In survival situations, using Morse code with a light can be very effective. Imagine being in a remote area where other communication methods are not available. A flashlight can help you signal for help or communicate with others nearby. This method is silent, making it useful in noisy environments or during the night. So, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to communicate without traditional means, remember that Morse code can be a reliable option. With just a flashlight and some practice, you can send messages over long distances. Whether you are living off the grid or simply enjoying the outdoors, knowing how to send Morse code by flashing a light can be a handy skill to have.